Hi and welcome to the video for today. Do you know the saying, as within, so without? This profound philosophical idea contends that the outside world is merely a reflection of our inner state, not something apart from it. In this video, we'll examine the concept's enormous relevance and how it might enable us to take charge of our thoughts and deeds in order to manifest the reality we want. So let's explore this ancient knowledge and learn about the mystical understanding of the nature of reality that lies beneath it. This principle's fundamental lesson is that we have the potential to actively change our reality in accordance with our deepest desires and aspirations, rather than simply being passive observers of how things play out. It serves as a reminder that the cosmos is a huge and intricate web of energy, and that our thoughts and feelings act as ripples in this cosmic ocean, sending forth signals that are captured and reflected back to us in our surroundings. We become like magnets, attracting the people, occasions, and opportunities that will enable us to realize our objectives, by lining up our internal condition with the reality we intend to materialize. To do this, we must adopt an optimistic outlook, concentrate on our goals rather than our shortcomings, and practice appreciation and plenty. The action, as within so without principle's strength comes in its capacity to awaken us to the limitless potential that sits within us and motivate us to act with conviction and confidence in the direction of our goals. We may transcend limiting ideas and self-doubt by using the strength of our thoughts and emotions. By doing so, we can access the infinite energy of the universe and design a life that is in line with our genuine passions and purposes. Practically speaking, this entails being aware of the ideas and beliefs that cross our minds and developing the ability to transform unfavorable self-talk and confining beliefs into uplifting affirmations and empowering remarks. Also, it entails developing a sense of mindfulness and presence, remaining anchored in the now rather than obsessing over the past or the future. The action as within, so without principle additionally motivates us to work towards our objectives, while acknowledging that the universe responds to our efforts through synchronicity and serendipity. This entails having clear goals in mind, imagining how we want things to turn out, and taking inspired action even when the road ahead seems difficult or uncertain. Because it enables us to work towards personal development, self-awareness, and constructive change in our lives and the world around us, the power of our intentions is of utmost importance. This idea has its roots in the notion of interconnectivity, which contends that everything in the universe is interrelated through a complex web of connections, and that we are not only a part of, but also actively involved in shaping the world around us. According to many, our intentions have the power to dramatically affect reality at its most fundamental level, going beyond the bounds of merely fleeting thoughts. These intents are potent metaphysical energies with the power to alter the very structure of reality. Our thoughts and deeds are brought into harmony with the universe when we set our intentions with clarity and conviction. This process propels us in the direction of our objectives. Our goals have an effect on more than just our own lives. They also have an impact on society as a whole and the environment in which we live. By using the force of our intentions, we may alter the world for the better and make our innermost aspirations come true. Yet, in order to match our internal state with our goals, we must set out on a path of self-knowledge and self-awareness. We must acknowledge the interdependence of all things and accept responsibility for the reality we create. This process calls for us to let go of limiting ideas and thought patterns that don't serve us anymore, and to develop an attitude of abundance, optimism, and thankfulness. We start to grasp that we are not the victims of circumstance, but rather co-creators of our own reality as we get a deeper awareness of the influence of our goals. Knowing that our intentions have the capacity to affect the world around us, we can decide to concentrate on the positive aspects of our lives and work diligently towards our objectives. An important first step towards developing personally and making changes for the better is realizing how our thoughts and beliefs influence our lives. That is a voyage that takes time to accomplish, though. It is a transforming journey that entails both the conscious mind and our deeper mystical aspects of being explored. We need to gain a profound awareness of our values and beliefs, connect with our inner wisdom, and use our intuition to begin this journey. We gain understanding of the facets of our being that require healing and transformation via this research. Accepting this road of self-discovery enables us to live a more true and fulfilled life. It calls on us to align with our deepest goals and design a world that serves our true purpose. By making decisions and taking activities that are consistent with our values and beliefs, we may accomplish this. The path to transformation requires bravery and dedication. We must be prepared to confront our concerns, disprove our limiting assumptions, and leave our comfort zone. The benefits of this voyage, nevertheless, are immense. We can live lives with greater meaning, purpose, and fulfillment if we align ourselves with our inner purpose. We must be aware of our thoughts and beliefs as we travel along, since they affect how we feel. In order to transform our limiting beliefs into empowering ones, we must develop the ability to objectively observe our thoughts. This enables us to change our perspective and produce a happier and more empowering reality. Our subconscious mind also has a huge impact on how our experiences are shaped, in addition to our conscious mind. Our beliefs, routines, and behavioral patterns all originate in the subconscious mind. We can discover the facets of ourselves that require healing and transformation by probing the depths of our subconscious mind. Meditation is one of the most effective methods for investigating the subconscious. With meditation, we can access our inner knowing and understand our ingrained habits. We can recognize the limiting ideas that are restricting us and transform them into powerful beliefs by objectively examining our thoughts and feelings. Energy healing is another effective method for transformation. With the help of the body's subtle energy systems, energy healing helps to clear blockages and advance healing. It enables us to let go of unhelpful thoughts and feelings that are impeding us and realign our energy with our genuine purpose. As within, so without is a principle that emphasizes the transformative potential of developing a high state of awareness that transcends ego-based boundaries. This state enables us to access the universe's boundless potential and brings our desires into reality. It is characterized by a strong sense of unity and connectivity with everything, and is frequently tied to mystical experiences. When we are in this state of consciousness, we can see that the outside world is an extension of who we are rather than something distinct from us. We become active agents of change when we link ourselves with the boundless potential of the cosmos. We do this by internally changing in order to affect the environment around us. We need to get a profound grasp of our values and beliefs in order to start this transformation process. This calls for using our intuition and inner knowledge, as well as investigating both the conscious mind and the more mystical aspects of our being. A life with greater meaning, purpose, and fulfillment is the result of embracing this journey, which requires courage and dedication. We can live a more honest and satisfying life in alignment with our innermost wishes and true purpose by realizing that our thoughts and beliefs influence our experiences. As our influence on the world goes beyond our individual lives, this transformation is both a personal and a collective journey. It encourages us to tap into our own creative potential and use it to mold the world around us. As within, so without is a principle that serves as a reminder of the enormous influence we have over how the world unfolds. It nudges us to take ownership of our ideas and deeds, acknowledging the significant influence they can have on our lives and the world we live in. This connection implies that we are not just a part of the outside world, but also actively involved in its formation. By using the force of our intentions, we may alter the world for the better and make our innermost aspirations come true. As within, so without is a powerful reminder that we have the capacity to shape our world through our thoughts, I will say. It emphasizes the significance of developing a higher state of consciousness that enables us to access the unlimited potential of the cosmos, realize our goals, and take an active role in bringing about change. We may live a more honest and fulfilling life that is in line with our true purpose by accepting this road of self-discovery and development, and we can have a good impact on the world. I appreciate your participation as we investigate the transforming potential of the phrase, as within, so without. Never forget, that by accepting responsibility for our thoughts and beliefs, we have the power to create our own reality and serve as agents of change for the better. I hope this message encourages you to set out on a path of self-discovery and develop a higher state of consciousness that goes beyond ego-based boundaries. For more videos on transformation and personal improvement, don't forget to like and subscribe.